Come pack an order with me. This person wanted some Junebug craws, some galaxy worms, and some moon worms. I also threw in a few extra glow-in-the-dark craws, so I hope she enjoys those. Anyway, they wanted these baits oiled, so we're going to go ahead and put them in there and put some oil on it. Now we got to give it a good old shake. Once it's done shaking, we got to go ahead and put them in the bags and put our sticker on it. After that, we put it in the big bag, throw a label on it, it's ready to go. If you guys want any baits, go check out my website, backwatterbaitworks.com. All orders over $50, you get free shipping. I also do custom orders. If you guys want one, just message me on any of the social media platforms that I'm on. Anyway, please go check out my website, links in bio.